Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to install and uninstall VLC on Backtrack 5. When you will start, you will see login and password. Just type root. By default login is root and 2, and to go to graphics part, just type start X and press enter. It will hardly take 30 seconds to come to GUI part. Yeah, just open this terminal and type apt-get install VLC and just press enter. It will hardly take 1 minute to install, and yeah, here it is done. To confirm whether it is installed or not, just go to application, sound and video, and yeah, here it is installed successfully. And to uninstall, just type apt-get remove VLC and just press enter. It will ask you whether you want to continue or not. Just press Y and enter, and yeah, here it is uninstalled successfully. Yeah, thank you for watching.